Guys, in today's video, I'll be reviewing Risk of Rain 2. Now, guys, this game, it's really good, guys. Like, actually, I'm not even lying, I'm not even capping. This game is pretty good. I have around 50 hours or so in this game, and I don't have like like every achievement. I only have a bit over half, I think. But this game, it's truly awesome, guys, and you should really play it. I would give this a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm speechless. Speechless? I'm speechless, guys. This game, it's good, guys. You should play it. I'll give it a 10 out of 10, guys. Oh god. You should go buy this right now. Best roguelike. Damn. Yeah. Yeah. That's it, guys. See ya.